enti kwame bafa Abronye wa be kire na adwen afa cocoa bu a enra no Ato Forson as finance minister obe announce say ya tesu say hu ya high sense cocoa back ya tesu say hu Abronye kire say there be o hwe cocoa boss CEO na Randy Abbey oni Ato Forson in fact see the public toilet krama they can't manage it it will no I will say you madi aha Penyah broke me best say any demo obe like video no other my bro subscribe button somebody can the notification latest update number chere wa adwen da ma me e wo comment section so baso not sure for any biafia. So yesterday was a very disappointment day for Ghana cocoa farmers because on said their identity no as a bimu nten sem na see mon nten ma me kire wase kuani akoton ni cocoa last year November nimo or they call that time now Ghana price na cocoa bia no obenya 36 million 25 Ghana cedis eti there no cocoa 10 bars no onimu say or trying an amount of 36,250 Ghana cedis eso it bia wakwaje bosia wo bank e dia koye bibi a na ni da so se enchenche ona fe crash dinisika be ma no no da kwakotua obi akwaje loan obi edu cocoa akosi press akwaje loan nese aba eba ya ebodada no yaba bete so abna beduru 2,587 cedis. All the time say that 10 bars now aba beduru 25,870 swati from 36,000 and things about biano 10 bars no we losing 100 million. And just cocoa create and cocoa 10 bars or crash ni honom no wa boss ka 100 million is okwaji loan now no ayenika ana cocoa crash ni so am crash from board na omu sika wo mu enti ba o man kasa de om sika tua farmers nika aban de ba na so mu da ship enti cocoa crash ni bia so a odin kan tua farmer bia aka no anu otwen aban ni sika beba no crash ni no bag bia wa boss ka 10 million montenia man na ekoso na se and ba ye no some of the NDC defended as yate dollar so yate and I saw some of the teachers omo kan kwase asem yate dollar so ada ne ento aketua so si yate dollar so dollar ba fontenia o se waketua yate so ngoni beje ho yate waketua so anka woni beje some of mu kasa asem nsuo nyansa yate dollar so ba yate waketua so woni beje ho si dollar ba fom because ma ho no ete so na market you nuru 20 million and na 11 million and 12 million teachers for 2016 market you na 11 million and 12 million mahama time by who for the buy ya no dey do 35 million e chile ko 40 million ba se mo si ate dollar so there any market you so si ate so ankoni beje ho anya una yo bi there wo kan ye ope onti ase se dollar ba from na dey no wo wonti ase na dollar ba from be enti market you so next defense and this making it doesn't make any sense. Ato Forson defense of the man no based on ensemwa eseni ketia kan 2016 editire Kufuado no
about whatever it is. I'm not interested in arguing about the correctness or otherwise of statistics. The bottom line is that whatever terms you describe this economy, you were fully aware of its state before making your promises. So I hope he will not use these statistics to form the basis of justifying when or why he's not going to be able to implement the promises. We'll hold him to his.
And based on the same way to Enra and someone Ato Forson can any defend and it make sense here. It doesn't make any sense because I think that catch a good father say, "What's it over Timmy aye? What now? What kind is over Timmy aye?" Enti waba ma excuses bia ye o bo sha o share no begi so be di so ma Ghana for se ni geta ka kire Kufuado is Ato Forson then be ka kire say ana dollars what market price about from yen check ho wo share wo bo na wo ye economist woni mu say e betimi ate ebo enyina fa akọ e be about from woni mu enyina na do share wo bo don't come with any defense that was ya adu e buy the media na so aye beja na eno ana Abronye abekire na adwen ewo ho
over the years na me catch us Randy Abbey as a sports minister president me catch now say hwemanim say me ma 5 months Randy Abbey be collapse wa ban no sports administrator ko say president Mahama nkom catch ne say on can be so tuntia na mo fa sports minister no Emma Randy Abbey 5 months obe collapse wa ban no ofiri wa na president Mahama sesan Randy Abbey dini adi Kofi Adams dini ebe sheho and ye can no sports ministry ho no ye can ta okwaduo ma no wayi ni mirika be 1 year ni edie Kofi Adams composer ni everything na audit sports ministry ho no amanfo ani je ho enti nipa akwose president Mahama nkom ka kire ne say wo de ne call 5 months obe on ne ministry no nko de be collapse wa ban no and ode ne call cocoa board sana nkom se ne gusu di ho ana call cocoa board wa mini Ghana cocoa nyina agu ne yam cocoa board arrogance ye no wentimi nya adwuma me I know everything and crofo mu wonyansa mu wo cocoa board wo nyina ono mu ntimi nya adwuma because on him everything about cocoa on him everything about management hey ene wo nei ene na good dan mutuaka and na mo se mo ye cabinet meeting mo ye emergency meeting say cocoa na se ka mo ton 4,500 no mo ye meeting abeton sa Koko akuyafo 4 months nie no monto mu koko no mo kwa kotua diska ne bia ka ho wo mo mabobosi adidie mo ye o den mo ye cabinet meeting ababe kase afedi enye dollar na ama mo nto koko no na mo sika na ma ya na die emergency meeting o si go na mafefe stars koko akuyafo no say emergency meeting no emergency meeting Gakudi ganama abantimi mfa ne nsan kotu kokoto ema azamba ko esan wom ne se wo mo di koko no kwa na koko boda katrom se wo de mo nhyeda ma mo receipt azan ewom no Gakudi ganama say ye dollar say akuafo mo di kana buo mo awie pay them emergency meeting na emergency meeting.
As a result of that, the PPLC thereby announces that effective today, Thursday, 12 February 2026, the new producer price for the remainder of the 2025-2026 crop season will now be 41,392 Ghana cedis per ton and 2,587 Ghana cedis per bag.
Hey, Ebreno na aduno. Se say de Mahama wanya ato na numutio. Say ku afo no ansa na obetimi ato mu koku no just what koku no bo no so. Eno na uncle ato ana ebe announce no. Ansa nyankopon ye no bibia pepepe. Campaign year 2024 no. Ato Forson ene ye obi a o lead NDC ewo cocoa price ho. Even sa wo social media ni videos circulate be bia o heti Akufuado say Akufuado eya bamboni e binsi da because when me an to cocoa price mu amana anko 7,000 Ghana cedis per bag. Ato Forson. But God is so wonderful that Sa Ato Forson no a olidi omo omo launch attack on Akufuado. Ehoro Akufuado ho kire Ghana for say we bonsam say watu koko mu every 480 or so, yeah, 480 to a friend say 3,100. Akufuado ye nipa bonini se wo to cocoa num e free 480 Ghana cedis e de call 3,100 na se omo na wa ban mu a ombe ma akuafo no 7,000 Ghana cedis per bag Ato Forson papa we on the leading campaign o enne ono na nyankopon aboa ama ono na esa ba announce say for the first time no government cocoa price so to the tune of 1,038 Ghana cedis. Once we kind no one breaking it down year mama ante ase sa anything so be breaking it down into a can say no they are confused mumu bia ebia monte de opeso o kire na se no nti me breaking it down de opeso o kire na say cocoa bag na ye tono 3,625 no ene aban John Dramani Mahama Ghana for hope no wate so e de aba 2,587 per bag ba ku bia no wate so 1,038 Ghana cedis 1,038 Ghana cedis enye small reduction, and I know it will get to the heart. The pain will get deep into the hearts of the farmers and farmers or dependents. Honestly, and this is also going to affect the Ghanaian economy, the local economy in particular, because me papa ekwani. Anytime akuafo yebetu akuafo ka no sabre na wo hu sika mo no Rollins time se tu akuafo ka akuafo ti om koko time ana wo hu sika mo no sika no beba no currency no beba no note no wo be se emu no cha ohua hu se ya ase ade a omode machine a omode print sika no kra no eho ayi kra sika no ho. That is the time cocoa time aba akuafo eton cocoa enipa bebre twi eba Kumasi any other places no sika no free e form ho na eba akuafo no cocoa no ne contribution to Ghana no enye adeketwa na ye kan sa no enye adeketwa enkofo a sa cocoa na hwe omama ya atitiri for Ghana ha hwe udu Kumasi abrosan bebre sisi ho no cocoa abrosan yo cocoa story buildings and the sisi ho no contribution of cocoa to the economy in yes small as our reduction we know it is going to deepen the hardship. Yes, it is obvious because it is taking money from the system. Kweni no koton cocoa no nisika obenya 3,625 per bag. Say 3,625 no what 1,038 free so. Enti ne purchasing power ana nisika ekurana wade kodwa so no what so by 1,038 Ghana cedis. It's not small. So which means okodwa so ana marketer enema dodo ana nka opeso oto fertilizer ne enema dodo ana nka opeso oto no ontimi nto. That is going to affect my mena ono so te edwom ho ton enema no. This is the breakdown of the effect the John Mahama why no edeba economy no so. And the Ghanaians should expect no change. Hardship no be continue me ho akyere yesa because of this. Because imagine says enkaban says ka we nyina aban de akuafo ne ka no. Sa aban timi tue says ka we de ma wo mo a. Chale kasika beba krum. Sikafo no kokofo no so dodo na o musika nko bango. Dabi dodo na sika nko bank. O musika no bo bra nkasa de odisi fiesi de ode hwe enkwala suku titiriu e de hwe. Enti scanner by no one say circulate to a system no musa. And now when we do see our purchasing power no by 1,038 of every cocoa bag. This is the hope Ghanaians voted for. This is the hope Ghanaians thought they were voting for. And some of us, we told you, ya catch them say Mahama ya azan, Mahama ya kontomponi, Mahama campaign a we and some original platform so can be ano emu bie no hono mo a otena ase edwene ho ede pen esi krata so esesen se no kra meka no se na maye no emu bie no ho adwo Mahama enya adage tena ase yes ade no. It was just at every moment the esino no de ashebo. At every moment the esino no de ashebo. Enti na onim se ozan Ghana fo, but you didn't listen. And then cocoa price His Excellency Akufo-Addo epeja free 480 Ghana cedis at the court 3,100 sa incompetent Mahama ne dom scammers no omaka say abana na de na also the court 7,000 no enne omumuma bete so afiri Akufo-Addo de na omoto ho no hey John Mahama ne NDC nyame betua mo ka pa seriously. Scam amodia scam me Ghana for pane dear. God will never forgive you guys. Because this is too obvious. And it is too much for Ghanaians to even understand. Say John Mahama pa and they say upon some more kind na. This is Nyankopon na de ne bone be che no. Nya sa pa dia. E kwan John Mahama afa so scam. Na de e ya me jane so mo sori ano masan aka say Dr. Baumia. And a contumpofo, Dr. Baumia and Canocre. Almost sorry, no more attack Dr. Baumia so on no contumpo. Oh, John Mahama, only Dr. Baumia, one no integrity. Yet the mummy and Mujinaho. Say and come one someone. One and who wants some integrity, one will be. Oh, John Mahama, only Dr. Baumia, yet the mere Mujinaho say, see and come one someone. When Mraka Krakra obedi wa Bemuno, corruption and someone afa who crown, a beans you a history muda. Look at the mess you guys are taking Ghana into. Monsha mess among the Ghana ekum upon all the promises. All the promises. Look at the mess you guys have created. But Ghana for ayamwa masema. Next time, mesemu hu NDC a moba romo na emu mpaboa na mwadwane.
Price is going to be a very, very, very good price. So those of you who don't have cocoa farms, go and start looking for land.
Honorable Tinka Panka 9,700 no. Send us a bit.
In fact, Guniba no me can say a bina nya dia kran kon fa 3,007. No for 6,000 emekweni no. A bag. Because
Tinka cocoa kwedi no ne bag na abai kotono. Bag anto bag ba ko no. 60 million.
Yes. Dit ebona abrochi because you need ha.
Moba.
Ah, o unim.
Honorable Winya no.
Neba me chance. Yanya. Na cocoa ye dia na se kuafo dia.
Cocoa farmers are what Ghana ha. Abani yo to the one you want end the year. Abani yo to the where system bebre. Abani wa from Musika bebre. The dame pena me kan yi there. Cocoa no bono. Cocoa bag biala abani botton wa brochi. Oya sika 9,800. Oya Ghana sika da no mu 98 million Ghana cedis. One bag. There's a 98 million cedis. Ghana is a share of cocoa board in there. Oya da abano oche de miska bi mu abasa. So che ma abasa na ono wa afakul. Na the cocoa farmer no wa ma na ebien. Then we are banning you to be only the West Italy. Ono wa afa ebien na wa ma cocoa farmer e program. The way
Imole ka defie wo ho man ya yetimu da me ka kire mu se MPP ni NDC atrofo difo bi anche ho a ya na munchindi. If they want post or they want power, they can say rubbish things saying obetimi aka say ni mami kura ya shawo ni na ode wo no just to get the power. Obetimi ya bibia don't be bia they get the power, they will do it. In opposition, what I say my NDC for Eka. Also, mobile power. Kuku ne what 3,000 something, 3,001. Now Musi SSN cost 6,000. Na Akufo-Addo ye wudini no. Ene price amudi akoni. Mukura amudi ene time check amutan. We are not serious. And the as my friend is saying there now oya cocoa about seaweed. We just say our Metro TV insane. Samit few president mama ankasa yenko ye famine nini yenko start ye cocoa famine na prices e ba no nyina ho na ehwe ni eni atrofo ni dadafo a o mo abedi yesu da me ka kire mo se MPP na ye pamo omo no omo ye comfortable amwa NDC na mu ye campaign se mu vote for Nana Kwame bedi akun na nye pamo NDC ni MPP na NDC na mo pese mo kuto abamo omo no ya hu omo pen omo abedi omo ni so pen no mo ye comfortable amwa te se MPP for na mo se debi na se hunu na ye kan Ghana for we live in the present yen nim yen kayeti eya yen ni vision mu wure fi the NDC dey fame for 16 good years MPP nso do mu dey fame no uma won yen ko 2028 abano e den yen Ghana for beside to abama NDC 2028 na yen to 2028 ni wie na the next election na NDC ndi 8 years wie Ghana for be wure fi boni MPP dey ayeye ni na no masa ko fa MPP ababio ye de beye mu papa na mu yen hwehwe mo se ye to mu fo amuntie ye kan hwe amuntie mu manye to abanti asa conform menu no they are the same people as a serious country ye started cocoa no how many years ni ye ti cocoa Ghana ye ton cocoa how many years ni sisi Ghana ye number 1 cocoa producer bimo Côte d'Ivoire take over aba ye cocoa ye cocoa papa e jama nsu na mafo ope e chen Côte d'Ivoire de ne Côte d'Ivoire de chiche ye panti o ma sen Ghana ho ye 700 tons no na Côte d'Ivoire ni na 1.3 1.4 thousand something 1,300 tons ye ni nam 700 ato eni Ghana da su bobesia ansa no ma to koko ato eni o ntinu mu ton koko na mu nya faso free we should stop cocoa business because we be a company na company no da to mean to our workers nika ura ni company no sika amunya wo company ho no entimi to our workers kan san nya mfaso ma CEO ni dia na always no ukobo besia ansa na multimedia running company dia then close your company down then company ni enya mfaso bia na muti hona koko board office ti Accra aba yenye koko bia wa Accra na vie ta kesi nko no mu drive hwi no mu trim se o mbetimi anye de system no mu da na Ghana ko bobisia ye tua koko foka ato ene ye ka kire mu so mu opposition manu de mom
chere wa ge mame e wo comment section ai Penyah Block Media Accra.